very much risk off. We saw that on Friday out of the States. Let's actually start in crypto then, because it has been a pretty savage weekend.
Yeah, I think that goes without saying. Yeah, look, the worst month for Bitcoin in the last sort of 3 months. Really come under a fair bit of pressure over the weekend. It's that sort of shift that we had. We obviously have that sort of dead cat bounce. I think me and you, Andrew, discussed it earlier in the week that we had that sort of relief rally come from that sort of broader market. But then on Friday and over the weekend, investors are sort of digesting that dovish take from Powell. They're seeing it as that ultimately here, the Fed could now fall behind the curve and ultimately be sort of chasing to catch up and then come in with surprise hikes down the line, and ultimately not tackle inflation the way that the market feels that it needs to. So yeah, it's we've gone from sort of that relief rally to investors going back to risk off once again, and obviously when that happens, as we know, sort of crypto does take a bit of a beating, coming under a fair bit of pressure. But to be honest, even sort of at these levels, especially for Bitcoin, we're not even sort of too far off from testing the lows of the year, which isn't really surprising given everything that is happening at the markets right now when we're discussing recessions, etc. So I wouldn't say it's massively surprising to see it there, but it's obviously probably more just frustrating for investors than anything else.